Modal verbs: can, could, should, must, may, might. Modal verbs are small helping verbs that come before the base form of the main verb. For example, he must work. You should drink more water. We use can to talk about ability. She can swim very well. I can cook delicious food. Could is used to talk about past ability. I could play soccer when I was a child. He could ride a bike quickly. Could and can are also used for permission, asking to do something. Could is more formal. Can I sit here? Can I drink water? Could I borrow your pen, please? Could I ask a question? We use should to give advice and tell someone what is a good thing to do. You should eat healthy food to be in shape. She should sleep early at night to have more energy. We use must to talk about rules and things that are very important. You must wear seatbelt while driving. She must wake up soon to go to work. You mustn't smoke in the cinema. You mustn't litter in the park. May or might are used when we are not sure. Something is possible to happen. It may rain today. She may join us for lunch. Where is Lily? She might be at home. She might be busy right now.